Outstanding design defines the 2013 Dodge Journey. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, a roof rack, and more. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.